Show you how I organize my desk and make it look super adorable. Plus I'm gonna show you some DIYs desk supplies, and oh my goodness you guys, they turned out beautifully, and I hope you're gonna like this video in some way. And if you like this kind of videos, then make sure to comment down below and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also give this video a huge thumbs up. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So this is how my messy and unproductive desk looks like, and I'm gonna convert it into a super adorable and productive one. So the first step is pretty simple, as I'm just removing everything that is on my table, like my books, headphones and some stationery stuff. Okay, so now comes the very important step, that is to keep our desk area clean and sanitized. And I'm cleaning my desk using some Colleen spray and old cloth. So now I'm just putting some cute and decorative stationery items like washi tape and this round box of cute little pens. Next I've taken all my pens and pencils and kept them in these aesthetic looking pen stand, and I'm gonna show you how you can make the same one after a few minutes. Then I'm taking some sketch pens and few pastel colored highlighters like basic necessities. Then I've taken this golden colored book holder which I got from Amazon. I'm gonna link it in the description box, and I'm putting all the books and notebooks that I daily use. Next I've taken this very cute Chotu Sa cactus ka plant. By the way, this is artificial and I've got this from Shein, and this is how I've made my desk look super cute and adorable. Okay, so now it's time to clean our drawers as well, as you guys are like judging me right now, as I literally have the weirdest things in my drawers, like the tea sachet which I showed you, and I'm simply cleaning it with a old cloth. Next I've taken this cupcake mold which I got from Home Center, and this I'm gonna put all my miscellaneous things like rubber, sharpeners, or like you can say erasers as well, and in the other one I'm putting some pom-poms. Okay, so next I've taken some snacks like chocolates and cakes because I really feel hungry most of the times. Next I'm putting this cute little unicorn pencil case which I got from Flipkart, and this cute pastel colored post-it notes which are from local shop, and lastly I'm putting this scotch tape. Now I've taken this white acrylic paint and just painting the cup with it using a sponge brush, but I will recommend you guys use a simple flat paint brush because it will make your work a lot more easier than like using the sponge brush. And then I've taken some scotch tape, and by mistake I've put this at the lower side of the cup because I want to make the pattern at the bottom side, so I just shifted it, and this is how it turns out. Next I'm taking some copper acrylic paint. So as you can see, I've switched to a simple flat brush. I told you guys to use like this one because it definitely makes your work a lot more easier, and it also looks super smooth and nice, and this is how it turns out. For the polka dot pattern pen stand, you definitely gonna need a round sponge brush, and I've put some copper paint on it and gently pressing it on the cup, and this is how they looks like. I'm pretty happy with the outlook. Next I'm filling the gaps using a thin paint brush, and yeah, just spreading it gently, and they are ready, you guys. Okay, so for this DIY, I'm starting off by putting some scotch tape, and I'm just doing this to prevent the tape from coming inside the cork board. And next you can see that I've painted it white before, but I wasn't happy with the outcome, so I switched to copper paint. So for the tassel, I'm wrapping the white yarn around the cardboard for about 30 to 35 times like this, and then cutting the edge using some scissors. Then I've taken one more piece of yarn and inserting it in between the runs that we have wrapped in the cardboard and making 2 knots with it to secure it like this, and then cutting the end of it using some scissors. Then take a long piece of yarn and start wrapping it around, leaving some space from the top, and then simply tie it like this. And I've wrapped the yarns for about 3 to 4 times. And at last cutting the yarns in the equal lengths to give it a polished look. Also removing some extra yarn from the tassel. Next doing the same thing with the pink yarn, wrapping it 30 to 35 times, and then simply repeating all the steps that I showed you earlier. So now I've arranged all my tassels line by line to give them a rough look like how I want them to be. Then gluing them together using some shoe fix and the scotch tape, so it will make sure that my tassels won't fall. And I'm doing the same thing with all of my tassels. And this is how the completed tassel cork board looks like. To make this simple and cute DIY, you need some shoe fix, some pencils, pom-pom balls, and some washi tape. Then I'm simply starting off by putting this bright pink colored washi tape on one side of the pencil, and I'm covering it fully using this washi tape so it looks pretty. And on the other pencil I'm putting this turquoise colored one, and I'm gonna put the link in the description box from where I got these washi tape. Next I'm putting some shoe fix on the top of that pencil and sticking my pom-poms on it, and you have to press it for 1 minute so it will be fully sticked. And there you have it, the completed pom-pom pencils.